Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. I know you know who I am. You're not going to believe it today. I'm going to be making the perfect pie crust. So let me show you what we have here. This is what's in the ingredients. It's not a lot. So we have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. We're going to be using 6 tablespoons of cold water, and we're going to be using 2 sticks of butter. Now, let me explain something about the butter. If you use store-bought butter, it contains 80% fat. Hey, no problem, right? But Kerrygold has 82% fat. The cows are grass-fed. And if you get the Amish butter, it's 84% fat, and I'm not exactly sure about the grass-fed part, but you know, hey, if you're baking and you want, if you're making like a butter crust, you want it to be real crispy, you know, buttery flavor, Amish is the best. I couldn't find it. My store usually has it, but we're just gonna go with the Kerrygold, okay? 82% fat. So let's go ahead and get started. It's really simple. We're going to go with putting the flour in the blender. Flour in. And we'll put the salt and the sugar in. Put the top on. And give it a couple of pulses. Okay, 3 or 4, no problem. That was just to kind of mix it up a little bit, okay? And now, we're just going to leave this alone, and we're going to go get the butter. The butter was in the freezer because we wanted it to stay ice cold. So let me get the butter. Can you see the difference between the store-bought butter and the Kerrygold? That's the reason why we're using the Kerrygold. So I'm putting this away. I want to go ahead and get this off and start cutting it up. So this is how I would do it. Just cut it right down the middle. And it's pretty cold, but it's still a little sticky. All right, we'll cut that in half. And we'll cut that in half. Come on, get off of there. All right, and now we're gonna cut it in little chunks. I'm going to take this cluster, put that in flour, get that in there, and then I'll cut up my second one. We'll pulse this up a little bit. We're looking for the dough and the butter to become a crumble appearance. I think we have it. Oh, the dough looked great with the butter, and we're just going to add in 6 tablespoons of water. And that's ice water. Top on, and here we go. Man, that was beautiful. All we do now is pat it down, square it off, cut it in half, and wrap them in cellophane. And now, just round them off a little bit, and they're ready for the refrigerator. Well, I sure hope you liked my video on making a pie crust dough. Go out and make you some pie crust dough. Have some fun. Get you some pumpkin. Make a pumpkin pie or something. It'll be good. Have a great evening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and as I always say, God bless you.